So hi everyone, good evening. So myself Bharat. So today I am going to be start the new batch in Playwright automation testing. Okay. So I hope everyone able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Playwright automation testing. Okay. So I have around 9+ years of experience in automation testing and also a parallelly worked in manual testing. So in my past experience, I used a couple of tools to perform the automation testing, like Selenium, Cypress, Playwright, Appium for the automation testing. So in this, I worked in couple of frameworks like Cucumber with BDD framework, Page Object Model with the data-driven framework, TestNG framework, JUnit framework. Okay. So and also I have very good hands-on experience on working on real-time. So banking applications, e-commerce applications, and ERP applications. Okay. So that's all about me. And coming to my teaching experience, I have around 6+ years of experience in to teach the classes in manual and automation testing with the help of Selenium automation with Java and Playwright with TypeScript. Okay. So in my previous batches, so many people are going to be getting the opportunities on multiple companies. So could you please confirm everyone? Are you able to see now my screen?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, yes. So thank you. So it is our first session in a Playwright automation testing. Okay. So before going to be started session, so first I'll going to be give the brief clarity on. So when you going to be learn the Playwright automation testing, what are the things are required first? Okay, so we can say it as a pre-representations. Like, so who are going to be continuing on these sessions? So you people are must be have some knowledge on what is software. What is software? What is testing? What is testing? What is software testing? What is testing? What is software testing? And why testing? Why software testing? Why software testing? And testing approaches or testing methods. You should have a knowledge on what is software, what is testing, what is software testing, why testing, what are the testing methods. So like smoke testing, sanity testing. Okay. So retesting, regression testing. Okay. So and also a positive testing, negative testing. Okay. So formal testing, ad hoc testing. Okay. So who are going to be continue on these sessions? You people are must be have some knowledge and some idea how to do a testing on software applications by manually, like this smoke, sanity, regression, and retesting, pass-through testing, native testing, and formal testing, and levels of testing, and levels of soft testing. So like a unit testing, system testing, integration testing, user acceptance testing. Okay, so like testing techniques like a static. What is static testing and dynamic testing? What is static testing, dynamic testing? So verification and validation. So you people are have a knowledge on this. And what is white box testing? And what is black box? What is black box testing? Okay. So and also software development life cycle and software testing life cycle. So who are going to be continue on these sessions? You people are must be have some knowledge on this all the aspects. Okay. So I hope whatever the intro you people are given, based on that intro, I can able to understood the. So you people are already having the knowledge on these all the things. Yes or no? Anyone have any confusion on this here? Alright. Anyone have any confusion on here?
No, Bharat.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. So guys, please unmute your mic and give me an answer when I'm going to be asking a question. So that time I can able to understand how many people are going to be able to understand what I'm saying. Okay. So when you people are good with here, so now you people are suitable the automation testing. So let us discuss what is automation testing. What is automation testing? What it is? Automation testing is nothing but it is a process to test the software applications by using the tools. Automation testing is a process to test the software applications by using the tool. Or we can able to say it as the automation testing is a process to execute the manual test cases by using the tool. Okay, so like this also we can able to say it as the what is a automation testing. Okay, so automation testing is a process to execute the manual test cases by using the tool. Alright, everyone, are you people are able to understand what I'm saying? Are you people are going to be getting any difficulty?
No, we are able to understand.
Yeah, Avinash, thank you. So this is called as what is automation testing. But when we people are doing a automation testing, here I'm very clearly saying we need a tool. So let us see what are the tools are suitable automation testing. What are the tools suitable automation testing? Okay. So in generally these tools are going to be divided in two types. One is a free tools. Another one is payment based tools. So one is free tool, another one is payment based tool. So can you please confirm if you people are supposed to choose a one tool for performing the automation testing, which is the tool you can able to choose? Like free tool or a payment tool?
Free tool.
Free tool. Because of, so when we want to know the functionality of a tool or when we want to use the tool into the long term in our software applications to test it, the functionality, it is very flexible when the tool is free. But if your tool is payment based, we need a limited time to get access from the tool, and we should have a practice very strong command on payment based tools to use the performing automation testing. So even the market also, most of the companies are going to be choose the free tool to perform the automation testing. So see this, I'm going to be show you what are the tools are going to be suitable the automation testing. So see this, automation testing tools. See this, what I'm given the keyword automation testing tools in the browser. So when I'm given like this, so here we have an AI overview. So what it is, automation testing tools are software applications designed to automate the execution of test cases. Automate the execution of test cases, simulate the user interactions, and validate the functionality and performance of software applications. Okay, these tools are increase the efficiency, speed, and test coverage while reducing human errors in the testing process. See this, open source tools, it means free tools. So in the market, tools are going to be divided into two types. What is a free? It means open source. Free tools are nothing but it is a open source tools. Okay, so what about another word in market? Commercial tools. What is mean by commercial? It's a payment based tools. Commercial is nothing but it is a payment based tools. So right now in the market we have two types of tools. The first popular automation testing tool is Selenium, Appium, Cypress, Playwright, JMeter, and a robot framework. These all are the open source automation testing tools in the market, which is very popular to do the automation testing. So the top of the automation testing, Selenium is very popular. Okay, so then coming to commercial automation tools, Lambda Test, Test Complete, Catalan Studio, Tosca, AccuLQ, okay, LabWork, and Rodex. So these all are the commercial automation tools. It means payment based automation tools. And AI powered tools. It means AI automation testing tools. Testing, Applet tools, and Mabel. So these are the AI automation tools. So right now, these are the very popular automation testing tools to perform the automation testing. Online, is that clear? So what are the tools we have? So in the market, the first automation tool is Selenium, which is a very popular automation testing tool, which is available in since 2004 to 2025. Selenium is a open source. Selenium is a open source or free web automation. Selenium is a free or an open source web automation tool. Then coming to the languages, or when you are going to be supposed to do a automation testing, we need a one language. So coming to language support, so Selenium going to be supports the multiple languages. So like Java, Python, JavaScript, so .NET, C#, Ruby, etc. See this, Selenium is an open source web automation tool. It supports the multiple languages: Java, Python, JavaScript, .NET, C#, Ruby, etc. This is nothing but it is a Selenium. It is very popular automation tool right now in the market. So it is very important interview question. When you people are supposed to attend an interview on automation testing, some interviewers are going to be asked what is automation testing? What are the tools are popular in automation testing? Why we can choose Playwright? What is the difference between Selenium, Cypress, and Playwright? What is the difference between Selenium to Playwright? They're going to be asked these kind of questions. Okay, so guys, please understood. So the next popular automation tool is Appium. So Appium is also here one of the popular automation testing tool, but it is a mobile automation. Appium is a mobile automation, and it is also going to be supported the multiple languages. So like whatever the languages are going to be supported the Selenium, the same languages. So which is available in since 2011. Since 2011 to up to 2025. Online, is it clear? Are you people are able to understand now? So what I'm trying to say is, when we people are supposed to do automation testing in the market, there is a couple of tools are very popular. One is Selenium and Appium. Okay. So the next popular automation testing tool is Cypress. So Cypress is a open source and commercial automation tool. It means, so in Cypress, we can able to do the automation testing. 80% is free, but if you want to achieve 100%, remaining 20% is payment based. Okay, so it is a web and APIs, automation tool. Cypress is a web and API automation tool. It is also going to be supported the multiple programming languages. It supports the multiple programming languages, or we can say it is as it supports the only two programming languages. You can say like this also. Two programming languages, not multiple, it's only two. So like JavaScript and TypeScript. So Cypress is also one of the popular automation testing tool. So which is available in since 2017 to 2025. Since 2017 to 2025, our Cypress is a very popular automation testing tool. Then coming to the latest popular automation testing tool is Playwright. So what is Playwright? So Playwright is one of the popular automation testing tool right now in the market, which is available in since 2020 up to 2025. Playwright is a open source. Playwright is a open source automation tool. It going to be automate the web APIs and mobile applications. So Playwright is one of the popular automation testing tool. It going to be automate the web applications, APIs, and mobile applications. Cypress is also a popular automation tool, but it supports the only web and APIs. Appium is only for dedicatedly mobile automation testing. Selenium is only dedicatedly web automation testing. But nowadays, the very popular automation testing tool is Playwright. It is automate the web, APIs, and mobile applications. Okay, and also here itself also we require the one language. So our Playwright is also going to be supports the multiple programming languages. So like Java, JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, and etc. So it is also going to be supported the .NET also. Okay. So Playwright is also a very popular automation testing tool. It's going to be supported the multiple programming languages. Online, is it clear? Online, is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
Yeah. So guys, I am explaining the couple of tools in the market to perform the automation testing. But in these tools, which is the best tool to perform the automation testing in 2025? So I have a question. So I want to know what is the best tool to perform the automation testing. So see this.
It is Playwright.
Yeah. Best automation testing tool. I don't give any keyword. Best automation testing tool. So when I given like this, so we are not getting the suggestion on only Playwright. Very, very important thing and very, very usual thing is, so see this. The best automation testing tool is subjective and depends on heavily on the specific needs of a project or organization. It is very important. Don't say it as the best automation tool is Playwright, best automation tool is Selenium, best automation tool is APM. It's completely a not tool preference. The best automation testing tool is subjective and depends on heavily on specific needs of the project and organization. Whatever the organization, we people are going to be getting the opportunity to work on the automation testing based on that organization specifics and needs, the project demand, we are going to be choose the automation tool. However, several tools are widely recognized for their capabilities and popularity in the industry. So for web applications, Selenium is very popular. So who are going to be doing the automation testing on web applications? Selenium is very popular. Okay. Then Cypress is popular, a modern JavaScript based testing framework known for its speed and easy of use and developers friendly features for web applications. The next popular automation testing tool is Playwright. Developed by Microsoft, it offers the cross-browser automation for modern web apps and supports the multiple programming languages like Node.js, Python, Java, and .NET. It is Playwright. See this, I given the keyword best automation testing tool. But if you are going to be specifically giving a keyword best automation testing tool in 2025, best automation testing tool in 2025. See this, determining the best automation testing tool in 2025 depends on the specific project needs and team expertise. Okay, so we people are not getting the anywhere, so only the Playwright is best automation. Always we people are getting the answer is based on the specific needs on a project and organization, we people are going to choose the automation tool. So in that area, the very popular automation testing tool is Selenium and Playwright. Selenium and Playwright in 2025. The same keyword if I am going to be given the, so in Copilot at all, the best automation testing tool in 2025. So see this, even the ChatGPT is also not, don't say the only one word. So see this guys, in 2025, some of the best automation testing tools included the Selenium, Playwright, and Test-Razor. Okay, so Copython and Lambda test. So Selenium is web application testing. Playwright cross-browser web application testing. Okay, so there is a couple of tools are very, very popular. So in that, Selenium and Playwright is very popular. Who are already having a knowledge on Selenium? So if you want again upgrade yourself as the automation testing with Playwright, yes, you are also suitable for this class. And who are not having any knowledge on Selenium, but if you are going to be start your career freshly, in automation testing. Yes, you people are also going to be suitable for this session because of Playwright is a very popular automation testing tool right now in the market from the last since 5 years. But last 20 years, which is the popular automation testing tool to perform the automation testing is Selenium is popular. Online got it? Online people, are you people are able to understand? And do you people are having any questions?
Yes, Bharat, it's clear.
Yes. So, what about the remaining people? Bharat, Prasanna, Chaitanya, Tejas, Venkat, Somu. Everyone is clear?
Yeah, it's clear. So does it support desktop applications also?
No, Playwright is not support the desktop applications.
Okay.
Even Selenium is also not supported. APM is not support. Cypress is not support. Desktop. For desktop applications, we have a Catalan Studio.
Catalan Studio. Okay.
Yeah. So for desktop automation testing, we have a catalog.
Okay. And in case of any queries or any solutions, so Microsoft will provide or any group will be there for this Playwright?
Yeah, we have to add some third-party tools, then we can. See this Catalan Studio, a compressive automation solutions for web, API, mobile, and desktop testing. Known for its easy of use and integrated the features.
Okay.
Okay, so and also ActualQ is also one of the tool to perform the desktop automation testing, and even the Tosca is also going to be preferred the performing the desktop automation testing some areas. Okay, so whatever the tools are going to be supported at the desktop, those tools are commercial.
Okay.
So whatever the tools are, we have a open source. In that, the popular automation testing tool is Selenium, which is not supported the desktop. APM not supported. Cypress is not supported. Playwright is not supported. JMeter is not. But Robot Framework is going to be supported the desktop in a free also. So web automation, mobile automation, and desktop automation also we can able to do with the help of Robot Framework. Robot Framework is also a one automation tool.
Okay.
Okay, so right now in the market, so there is a couple of tools to perform the automation testing, but every tool is having the one specific identity. Okay, I hope you people are able to understand what I'm saying, right?
Yes, Bharat. Bharat,
Yeah.
but now it is the time. Now the AI is evolving very fast now.
Okay.
So, like, how much the Playwright will, how many years it will be like good? Like the market is
Playwright.
good.
Yeah, see, I'm very clear. To be frank, I'm saying so. Playwright is a popular automation testing tool in 2025. Nowadays, most of the clients and most of the companies are going to be recommended the use Playwright because of the reason Playwright is developed by the Microsoft. Reason number one, and also Playwright is going to be used to the TypeScript and JavaScript. So TypeScript also developed by the Microsoft.
Okay.
Okay. So if any changes or any updates is going on Playwright, Microsoft is going to be guide the how to use the tool. That is the one of the flexibility to learn the tool. Okay. So when you people are going to be learning a Playwright automation testing with TypeScript or JavaScript, okay, these two languages are very similar. When you have a good knowledge in JavaScript, TypeScript is same. When you have a good knowledge in TypeScript, JavaScript is same. Because of both are client server side programming languages. Okay, so basically this TypeScript is going to be coming the ES6 onwards in JavaScript. Okay, so in JavaScript, we have some versions like a ES1, ES2, ES3 like that. So when a ES6 is going to be coming on JavaScript, so that time, so people are going to be introducing the TypeScript. It means TypeScript, JavaScript, both are similar, but some new features, some new advantages, they're going to be added into the TypeScript compared to JavaScript. Even though if you want to run a TypeScript, we are going to be compiling through a JavaScript file only.
So do we learn the basic TypeScript from the basics, or
Yes, we are going to be learning TypeScripts also.
from the
TypeScript
basics?
Yes, from the basics. So I'm going to be teach you. So what is TypeScript? So how to you write a TypeScript programming language using the Visual Studio, and how to use the TypeScript in Playwright automation testing. So in the TypeScript language, we people are going to be discuss what is TypeScript, what are the variables in TypeScript, data types in TypeScript, operators in TypeScript, and control flow statements, looping statements, and what is object, what is class, what is constructor. We can discuss. Okay. So once if you good with here, then we can start the how to use the Playwright tool to perform the automation testing with the help of TypeScript.
Okay.
These are the things we can discuss. Bharat, is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes.
It's okay. Yes.
Yeah, Chaitanya. Chaitanya, from your side, any questions?
Yeah, like what are like languages apart from what we'll be discussing in next course? Like Java or like any brief explanation on any language?
Yeah, if you want anything, I am ready to teach everything. But most recommendable programming language is TypeScript in a Playwright, because of both are going to be developed by the Microsoft. That is a very
Okay, like what in our company is going on rightly, like right now is like they are opting out of Tosca and they are moving to Playwright
yes
with
Playwright.
Java with Python. So that's the reason I was checking
Okay. As
is
of
it
now, in my
helpful for us
company,
like
in my company, and so many people are going to be asking the TypeScript. Even though Google itself also, so compared to TypeScript and with Python, TypeScript is the best language for using the automation testing in a Playwright. See
But
this?
how do we choose it, sir? JavaScript or TypeScript for Playwright?
Both are same. See, I am going to be giving the only one answer. How can we choose? Means it's completely depend on the our team knowledge.
Okay.
Okay, so both are same. See, in a team we have a 5 members. So 3 members are having the hands-on experience. 3 members are having the very good knowledge in TypeScript. Yes, we can go with TypeScript. Or 3 members are having the JavaScript knowledge. 2 members are having the TypeScript. Yes, we can go with TypeScript, JavaScript. No problem. Both are similar. See, which is the best language for automation testing using Playwright with TypeScript or Playwright with Python. So which is the best language for automation testing using Playwright with TypeScript or Python? ఇక్కడ చూడండి, Playwright with TypeScript is generally considered the best choice for automation testing due to its negative support, rich ecosystem, and it is a very easiest language compared to others. And also Playwright with TypeScript, why it's preferred: negative support, type safety, rich ecosystem, better documentation and communication, advanced features. Playwright with Python, when it makes sense, familiarity, ideally for team already using Python for backend or data science. So then we can simplicity. Python, its syntax is clean and beginner friendly. Good for API testing. Python excels in the API testing with libraries like request and PyTest. Python is not suggestible Playwright. So you have to also go to any browser, you can able to search it. See this negative playwright support. TypeScript is yes, Python is limited. Type safety is very strong in TypeScript, but Python no. Ecosystem integration, it is a rich Node.js tools. Moderate Python tools. Learning curve, moderate needs TypeScript basic and it is easy. Learning. So best for web UI testing, CI/CD pipeline. API testing, simple scripts. So Python అనేది API testing కి and simple scripts కి మాత్రమే సజెస్టబుల్. Alan, is that clear? Not my sentences. You
Yes,
people
sir.
are also going to be see this. I am going to be showing the data from the Copilot. Before showing this, I already told TypeScript with Playwright is very good combination, but other languages are going to be not that much of impact on TypeScript. Is it clear? So even though you have to give a same query with a JavaScript or TypeScript. So same query. So which is the best language for automation testing using Playwright with TypeScript or Playwright with JavaScript? So see this. It is also going to be showing the so here a breakdown of why TypeScript is preferred and when JavaScript might still be good fit. So there is same similarities, but the thing is, in JavaScript there is no type safety, but TypeScript we have a type safety. It means when you declare a one variable, so that variable in TypeScript we can able to replace, but in JavaScript we can't duplicate it. IDE support we have excellent, but JavaScript we have a basic. Learning curve, TypeScript is moderate and JavaScript is easy. Best for large scale, scalable project, small and quick setups. So this is the very, very important. So large scalable project, when you are doing automation testing, we didn't measure we are going to be use this much of tenure of time, 2 years, 1 year. When you are going to be working a long time, TypeScript is preferable automation testing, but JavaScript is small and quick setups. Playwright integration, negative support, unsupported. JavaScript. Online, is that clear?
Yes, Bharat.
So even if you, yes.
So learning curve is moderate, or what does it mean? I mean, does it have any limitations? Or?
No. So the thing is, TypeScript is also going to be run in a JavaScript compiler only.
Okay.
Okay. So nowadays, even the TypeScript is also going to be updated. It is having also own runner. Okay. It should be also going to be running the compiler. But earlier, initial stage, so TypeScript is also going to be compiling the JavaScript file only. First, we are going to be write some block of code into the TypeScript. After that, we should have to convert the TypeScript into a JavaScript. Then we are running the JavaScript file into our compilers. But nowadays, even the TypeScript is also upgraded. It is having its own runner. And also one more thing is, if you have already a knowledge on any one programming language, so I'll tell you one example. It means when you are going to be given data, so we need a data type. In Java programming language, C programming language, C Sharp, C++, .NET, everywhere. Yes or no?
Yes.
So, sorry?
Yeah, correct.
Yes. So we need one data type to specify the data. So when you are going to be using JavaScript, yes, we have a data types, but not required to define the data type. But in a TypeScript, it is mandatory. We should have to specify the data type and we can able to store it.
Okay.
Okay. And also we are going to be assign the data only the specific data. Without data type, we can able to store any kind of data. But when you have a mandatory, that time we can able to allow only the specific data in a specific variable. So like that, there is a small changes in between the JavaScript and TypeScript. but TypeScript is going to be coming the after a ES6 in JavaScript. Is it clear?
Okay. And also, like, out of your experience, have you seen using Playwright for insurance applications? Yeah, I understand these can be used for all web applications, but in your experience, have you seen this? People are using Playwright or not for the insurance policy?
Bharat, to be frank, I'm saying, so from the past 2 years onwards only we are started the using Playwright. Before that, we are prefer the Selenium only.
Okay.
So to be frank, I'm saying, so last 2 years onwards only we are trying to using the Playwright. Even still, we are also facing the lot of issues because of compared to Selenium to Playwright. So Selenium is very flexible, and everyone already know how to use the Selenium. But coming to Playwright, so Playwright is every day it is going to be upgrading the new features. But we people are also going to be getting some issues when it is going to be using in real time. So we will going to be short out the issues. But going forward, it is very easy.
Just like initial days of Selenium.
Yes.
Okay.
But nowadays, I'm very clear. If you go to any job, so if you have a knowledge on Selenium, just they can ask do you have a knowledge on Playwright? Or if you are going to be attend an interview, you have a knowledge on Playwright. So they're going to be definitely ask do you have any knowledge on Selenium? Who are having knowledge both, then you people are going to be getting the more calls. Okay. So in our sessions, so compared to Selenium, Playwright is very easy and very easy to learn also. Online, is that clear? Any questions, Chaitanya, Venkat, Somu?
Bharat.
Yeah. So next, so everyone, could you please, if you don't mind, please mention your mobile numbers and your name and course name in chat box. So we are going to be joining this session. Could you please ping in chat box your name and your mobile number and your course name. So right now this is a Playwright automation testing course with TypeScript. You should have to mention these 3 details in chat because of admins are going to be getting the confusion. So if you don't mind, you have to submit it in chat.
Sure, Bharat. Sure.
Yeah.
Excuse me, I have one question here.
Yes, please.
So we are going to start this automation testing tool training, right? So
Yes.
are we going to club this with AI or Gen AI?
Sorry, AR?
AI or Gen AI? Because in the market I am frequently hearing about the Gen AI
Okay.
integrated with the Playwright tool.
Okay.
I'm not sure how we will cover these scenarios in our training sessions.
Yeah, Professor. So I can understand your question. So AI is nothing but everyone knows the artificial intelligence, right?
Yes.
So what is the meaning of artificial intelligence?
So making the process fully automatic and in a very easy way.
Making the process fully automatically easy way. But
Yeah.
tell me, what is ChatGPT? What is Gemini? What is Copilot?
I'm not sure about those.
What it is? So nowadays, who are going to be using these tools? Some people are going to be saying as it is a AI tools. But who are going to be using the tools very flexibility? So those people are going to be said as name as LLM.
Okay.
So what is the meaning of LLM? What is the meaning of AI? AI is different. LLM is different. LLM is large language model.
Okay.
So these large language models are going to be do the, so these ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, these tools already having the some set of data from this programming
Okay.
in backend. So based on that, whatever the prompt we are giving in a front end. So just now I given the prompt like what. So here, which is the best language for doing the automation testing, either Playwright with TypeScript or Playwright with JavaScript. based on my prompt, this LLM is going to be showing the some information here in our script. So is this correct or incorrect? Definitely we are going to be saying it is a correct. But you people are going to be know one thing. This data is predefined. Developer is already given before developing this tool.
Okay.
Okay, it is just to recapping our memory in this tool.
Okay.
But coming to Gen AI, it is going to be generate the what user is going to be expecting. It is going to be develop code. It is going to be running the code. It is going to be showing the output.
Okay.
So as of now, my ChatGPT is not going to be think like that. Okay. So Gen AI and also we have a Conjur AI.
Okay.
So those tools are we are going to be saying as the mediators. So the tool going to be understand what is your expectation, how that
Okay.
expectation going to be perform into your expected results. It going to
Okay.
be understand the query, it going to be prepare the logic, and it going to be execute the logic. So to be
Okay.
frank, if when you want to use these tools, first you need a clarity on how the process is going on by manually. See,
Okay.
whoever going to be posting, we people are going to be teach manual with Gen AI, automation with AI, automation with ChatGPT and Gen AI. It's 100% wrong promises.
Okay.
So tell me, guys, who going to be accept if you are going to be putting your project into Gen AI? Which client is going to be accept in real time? Every software company client is going to be paying the some amount to the our company management. So he is going to be building their project, right? If you are going to be put that all the logic of code into your ChatGPT or your Gen AI, the tool going to be understand what is the process you are going to be doing in your project. This tool going to be prepare this own code, and this tool going to be running this own execution, right?
Yes.
So that time customer is going to be paying some money. Is it good or it is bad? It's
Obviously bad.
100% it is bad thing. So nobody cannot allow this using Gen AI and Conjur AI, agentic AI into the real time. But what is the thing we people are going to be doing exactly in automation testing using this AI tools means just we have to give a prompt how to generate the script for using these tools. So very simple thing. Whatever the promises right nowadays market is given, the promise is nothing. But so like this, I
Okay.
need automation script using. So this is the way they can explain the Playwright with Gen AI or ChatGPT or Copilot. Playwright
Yeah.
with TypeScript. I need automation script using Playwright with TypeScript for login functionality given URL. So my URL is https www.facebook.com. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏమడుగుతున్నాను అంటే నాకు ఆటోమేషన్ స్క్రిప్ట్ ప్లేరైట్ విత్ టైప్ స్క్రిప్ట్ తో కావాలి లాగిన్ ఫంక్షనాలిటీకి బై గివెన్ దిస్ URL facebook.com. If I click on enter button, so now this Copilot is going to be generate the one automation code using the Playwright. So see this, what it is going to be guiding here, a basic Playwright with TypeScript script to automate the login functionality for facebook.com. The script assumes you have Playwright set up in a Node.js project with TypeScript. Note, for security and ethical reasons, the script does not include real credentials. You should see the environment variables are a secure value to manage sensitive data. Okay, see this folder in Playwright project. We have a one test folder. In that we are going to be create the file name like this. Okay, so in that file, so installing the Playwright with TypeScript. So see this npm init y npm install Playwright test TypeScript ts node. So npx Playwright install. Once if you are going to be install a Playwright, so see this, if you are supposed to run a Playwright, npx playwright.test is a command. So see this, use environment variable, await fill, input email, process.environment, Facebook email, process.environment, Facebook password. So Facebook email, your email password, npx playwright.test. It means, so this is the way we people are going to be generated the code. So see this, what is the code? This is the code. Simply copy this and paste it. See this Facebook login test. మీకు ఇక్కడ అర్థం కాదు అందుకని ఇక్కడే చూపిస్తున్నాను. ఇక్కడ చూడండి import the test and expect from Playwright test Facebook login test. So await page.go to https www.facebook.com. By default it is going to be taken the URL. Filling login from, so await page.fill, input email, your email address. Await page.fill, input password, click on login button. Await for navigating or error message. So example of assertion, check the login failed. You can customize this. See this error visibility. Are you going to be getting any error visibility? You are going to be valid. Or if you are going to be getting a dashboard, you are going to be validate the dashboard. After writing this code, if you want to execute it, npx playwright.test. So this is the lines you people are going to be generated from the ChatGPT or Gemini or Copilot. You can simply copy it and paste it on your Visual Studio, then you can run it. Then this much of enough to using this AI. Is it clear?
Yes, it is clear.
If you are supposed to understand these lines of code, what is the knowledge is required? What is the knowledge is required? First, you have a knowledge on TypeScript and JavaScript. First, you have a knowledge on at least one programming language, either JavaScript or TypeScript. One language, and also you require the knowledge on Playwright. What is Playwright? How can you write the first script on Playwright? How to install the project in Playwright? And how to develop the first program using Playwright with TypeScript. After that, you can able to understand what is await, what is test, what is async, what is page, okay, what is fill, what is click, what is wait for timeout. You have able to understood these lines when you are learning manually. After learning, if you use this ChatGPT or Copilot or Gemini, then you can easily understood whatever the lines it is generated. Simply copy and paste it on your system. Is that clear?
Yes, it is clear. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. So this is the way nowadays people are going to be guiding the using ChatGPT, AS and Gen AI, everything. So even though nowadays people are going to be giving the promise, we are going to be help you how to do a manual testing with the help of AI, Gen AI and ChatGPT, Gemini. What they're going to do? What is manual testing? Manual testing is a process to test software applications by interacting with the human being. Right? So what is the job for a human? He is a person to generate the test cases and execute the test cases. To generating a test cases, so nowadays people are using ChatGPT. Like what? Create test cases for login in Facebook. That's it. By giving a prompt like this, automatically it is going to be generated the test cases. See this valid connection. Login with current email and password. Test case expected result. User is redirect to the Facebook homepage. This is one test case. Remember me option. Select a keep me logged in. So there is a one option is called as remember me. So that is the one test case. Negative, invalid password. Login with correct email, wrong password. So invalid email format. Enter the mail format email. So for example, user@.com and my password. And empty and SQL or cross-site scripting XSS attempt. So like this, we people are going to be use the ChatGPT to generate test cases. So I need test cases with table format. Table format. So whatever the thing you want, you can able to give it prompt like this. So see this test case ID, test scenario, test steps, expected results. So you should have to add actual results. So verified and execution date, remarks, and everything. So are you able to see my screen? Online? Are you people are able to see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Are you able to understand test scenario? Valid login, invalid password, invalid email format, empty email and password, empty password, SQL integration attempt, okay, XSS attempt, login credentials, special characters in password, multiple fields attempts, remember me options, password recovery link, login with detect dedicated account, login with dedicated account, login with unverified account, login with expiry password. So these all are the basic cases. So with the help of AI, like this, we people are going to be generate test cases. Like this, we people are going to be generate the automation script. I need automation script for these test cases using Cucumber with BDD in Playwright. See good journey. So when you are going to be looking at anything, so like this, you have to give a prompt. See this here, how you can automate the Facebook login test cases using Playwright with TypeScript and Cucumber BDD. The setup Jerkin syntax for feature file and integrated with the Playwright for browser automation testing. See the folder structure. So see this login credentials, invalid password, empty credentials. So then you people are going to be getting the like this some methods. So this is the way you have to give a prompt. So then you have to run like this. That's it to using Copilot or ChatGPT or Gemini for automation testing. Any questions? Online, any questions? Yes. So, yeah.
So can you go through the course content once?
Yeah. So in our course, we people are going to be discuss the So in our course, we people are going to be discuss the first TypeScript. So under a TypeScript, we are going to be discuss. So data types in TypeScript. And variables in TypeScript. Operators in TypeScript. Control flow statements. So loops and constructor, object and class in TypeScript. So once we are good with here, then we can start Playwright. So what is Playwright? So features in Playwright. So and how to start first script in Playwright. And how to handle handle web pages and how to locate elements in Playwright. Okay, so then how to write XPath, how to write CSS, how to handle text box, text area, drop downs, calendars, okay, alerts like this. So then we can discuss how to generate reports, how to use code gen, how to use Playwright inspector, how to develop frameworks, okay. So how to develop the reports also is done. So these are the things we can discuss under our course. Any confusion?
Something like integration with CI/CD that are
Yeah, CI/CD is also is a part. So we are going to be discuss how to connect CI/CD. So it means continuous integration and continuous delivery tool.
Like Bharat, in PDF we have that handling synchronization, user actions, data-driven framework.
Yeah, those all are comes under the frameworks. Synchronizations are nothing but waits.
Okay.
So waits means so when we are going to be doing a action, so if we require this any amount of time, so how much of time we can wait?
Okay. Cucumber framework also you mentioned that.
Yeah, it will also comes under the frameworks. See,
Hooks.
frameworks are nothing but like uh, POM framework, Cucumber with BDD framework.
Okay. Hooks and annotations.
Yeah, hooks or annotations are these features in Playwright. That is the default features in Playwright.
Okay. That also covered in this
Yeah,
course.
that will also cover that inside the Playwright. See, in Playwright we have a hooks and annotations. So and automatically we have some features like taking the screenshots. Okay. So
Yes.
rerunning the failed test cases and validating and verifying the every step actions in default in Playwright. Those are.
Okay, got it.
So that's why only here I mentioned CodeGen. CodeGen is a one more tool in Playwright. Playwright Inspector is a one tool in Playwright. Okay, this CodeGen is basically going to be used to the whatever the actions I told just now. So like by using a Playwright, how to locate the elements, and by using a Playwright, how to we are going to be we are going to be develop the code, and by using a Playwright Inspector, how can we see the every action is going to be performing, how much of time. So those are the things are covered under this year. Online, is that clear?
Okay. Text execution and everything comes under this one.
Yes. Text execution means every day we are going to be execute our test script.
Okay.
Okay. So we have a test runner in Visual Studio. So by using that test runner we can, or else we have a command. So npx playwright test and whatever the file we want to run, that file name.
Yes, but in that we have that parallel testing, group testing, everything is
That will also going to be covered at the under a Playwright feature. Parallel
okay.
testing, group testing, everything is inside Playwright tool itself. We have a features.
Okay, got it. Okay.
Yeah. See, in Selenium, we should have to integrate with the test engine. Test engine, we can able to do the parallel testing, group testing. But in Playwright, those all are inbuilt features. I already told, so we can discuss the features in Playwright.
Okay, you are saying that await and async all these
Yeah,
comes in the
those all
Playwright.
are default.
Oh,
See, Playwright is by default dynamic wait mechanism.
okay. All
So
these scenarios covered in this
yeah,
Playwright.
see this. If you are supposed to know more about a Playwright, so we have an official website, playwright.dev. So in the playwright.dev itself, here you can able to see Playwright enable and reliable end-to-end testing for modern web apps. So here what? So it supports the any platform on API, cross-browser testing, cross-platform testing, cross languages, test mobile and web, sorry, mobile web. So auto wait. Synchronizations are nothing but wait mechanism. Playwright waits for the elements to be actionable, prefer to performing a action. It is also has a rich set of interruption events. The combination of the two eliminations, the need for artificial timeout, the primarily causes of flaky test. See, by default, Playwright is having the weight mechanism. Or if you are supposed to put any other weights, yes, we have. So just now, I already told. See this? Await page dot wait for timeout is a synchronization. Alan got it? See what is the line is given? Wait for navigation on error. We are supposed to give some amount of time before performing an action. So that time we use synchronizations. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Uh,
Do you have any certifications for this?
So actually, for Playwright, not required any certifications. Okay. So if you want to do complete automation testing, you can able to do your own certification. But especially for Playwright, not required. To be frank, I am saying Playwright is popular in right now, but earlier Selenium is popular.
Bharat, the timing of the class course is like every day 8 to 8 p.m.
Yeah, every day 8 to 9. So actually, I have another session on 9 o'clock day by day. Okay. So, but your session will be going on 8 to 9 every day.
Okay.
Sharp 8 o'clock, sharp 9 o'clock, I will close the session. Today, I don't have a session. That's why I'm taking more than 9. So, but tomorrow onwards, I will sharp 9 o'clock, I will close the session.
So I have a general question, sir. Like, when I was talking with one of my colleagues few weeks back, we got a topic on Playwright, okay?
Okay.
And what he was saying is that Playwright is bit tougher than Selenium. So is that a correct statement?
No.
Okay.
See, I am going to be teach Selenium and I am going to be teach Playwright.
Okay.
So regularly, I am going to be teach Selenium also in morning 7 o'clock.
Okay.
Okay. So compared to Selenium, Playwright is very easy because of there is a lot of features in Playwright compared to Selenium. So Selenium every time we should have to depend on the third party, but Playwright not required. Everything is inbuilt in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. Thank you.
Anything else?